Homeowners, do you have water damage in your home from a storm, burst pipe, or backup? Water damage restoration is all about making your home safe again and preventing further damage. Whether it's flooding, mold, sewage backup, or a leak, water damage can be a huge problem. Ignoring these issues can lead to serious health hazards and costly long-term damage to your property. At the first sign of water damage, get expert help. Our team at 1-855-215-1262 is ready to provide water damage restoration quickly with service areas covering the United States. We specialize in sewage backup, mold, overflows, water extraction, burst pipes, and restoring your home to its previous condition. Speed is essential to prevent further damage. The longer you wait, the worse it can get. Call us now at 1-855-215-1262. Let us make your home safe and comfortable again.